In this video, I will show you how to delete your RedNote account, AKA XiaoHongShu, on your phone. To delete your account, here are a few things to know. Now, go to your RedNote app. From there, tap on the hamburger menu on the top left. Then, select the gear icon at the bottom left. Select Account Security. Now, tap on the Account Cancellation option. Here is the warning page that the app tells you that you cannot recover your account and the points I mentioned earlier. Check the I acknowledge box and then select the red button. Here, it is asking you why you are deleting it. You just need to pick one option. The easiest one to choose is I don't use RedNote often. Tap on the red button again to continue. It will ask for confirmation again. Tap on the red letters and your account is deleted.